In this video, we will learn about variable and operators. In coding, variable is a place where you store information. Variables can be used to remember information such as names, game scores, and so on. Operators are used to calculate the value based on variables. You can do addition, subtraction, and other math calculations. You can also compare values between variables and other things. Then, there is block sensing. This block is used to do certain things in Scratch. We will use block sensing a lot to create applications that have a lot of interaction, for example applications that ask you something, or games. We will learn to use block sensing, variables, and operators. This ballerina will ask your name, and whether you like Scratch. If you answer yes, then they will dance. If you say no, they won't dance. Let's start. Create a new project and name it Ballerina. Use a backdrop with the name Theater. Then make 3 ballerina sprites. Arrange them like this. Name them Ballerina Left, Ballerina Center, and Ballerina Right. We will do the coding in the Ballerina Center. In the Ballerina Center, add this coding block. For the light blue block, it comes from sensing. Now, give it a try. Click the green flag, and the Ballerina Center will ask for your name. Type your name, and press enter. Now add a block like this. Seems confusing? In Scratch, you can arrange blocks within other blocks. So this line is actually made of several blocks: purple, green, and light blue. This green block is called join. It is used to combine several words into one sentence. So this block will make the sentence hello and your name. Your name is taken from the answer that asked by Ballerina. Then we will display the sentence hello and your name using a purple block. Try it. Now the ballerina will say your name. Now, we're going to make the ballerina ask if you like Scratch. Make a coding block like this. You already know for light blue block coding. We've also learned yellow and purple block coding. But what is this if block coding used for? When you answer the ballerina's question, do you like Scratch? Your answer will be stored in a light blue variable named answer. Here, we will see if the answer variable contains yes. If the content is yes, then this block will be executed. But if the content is not yes, then this block will be executed. Let's make the coding block. Ask the question. Use if-else block. For the condition, check if the answer is yes. If it is yes, broadcast a message called dance, and play a classical piano music. You need to add the sound first. If the answer is not yes, put this encouraging sentence in the else block.